Welcome to Module 2.1, Understanding Components. In React, components are the building blocks of your user interface. They encapsulate the logic and UI elements for a specific part of your application. Understanding components is fundamental to mastering React. 1. What are components? Components in React are reusable, self-contained, and modular pieces of code that define a part of your user interface. They can represent a small element like a button or a more complex part of your application, like a user profile. Think of components as the Lego blocks of your application. They allow you to break down your user interface into manageable, reusable parts. 2. Functional components versus class components. In React, there are two primary types of components. Functional components. These are JavaScript functions that return JSX, describing what the GUI should look like. Functional components are the simplest and most common type of components. They are also called stateless components because they don't manage their own state. JSX, function my functional component. Return div hello from a functional component. Div, class components. These are JavaScript classes that extend the React component class. Class components have more features, such as the ability to manage state, use lifecycle methods, and handle user interactions. JEX, class myClass component extends React component. Render, return div hello from a class component. Div. 3. Component reusability. One of the key advantages of React components is their reusability. You can use a component in multiple parts of your application or even in different projects. This reusability not only saves development time but also ensures consistency in your 4. Composing components. In React, you can compose components by nesting them inside each other. This means you can build complex user interfaces by combining smaller, reusable components. For example, you might have a header component, a sidebar component, and a main content component, all of which come together to create your application's layout. JSX, function app, return, div, header, sidebar, main content. Div. 5. Passing data with props. Components can communicate by passing data through props, short for properties. Props are essentially parameters that you can pass to a component. This allows you to make your components dynamic and flexible. For instance, you can pass a title prop to a header component to customize the title of your page. JSX, function app, return, div, header title equals my app, asterisk, asterisk, div. Within the header component, you can access the title prop like this. JSX, function header props, return h1 props, title, understanding components and how they can be composed and receive data through. Props is crucial for building dynamic and modular user interfaces with React. Components are the heart of React development, and as you delve deeper into React, you'll work extensively with them.